You might be trying to figure out how you can fix your iPhone if for some reason it keeps telling you that it's unable to update. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. The very first thing you're going to want to test out though, the first thing you want to do is you want to make your way straight into your iPhone settings application. And what you want to do here is you want to go and click on a general. So click in your general settings right there. And what you want to do here is you want to click on software update. Now when you do that, you'll see this panel come up. Now for some of you, it may already say something like unable to update, but if it doesn't say anything like that, or if it gives you some other problem, the main reason this ends up happening is because of some sort of Wi-Fi issue. So what you want to do is you want to find your Wi-Fi connection inside of your device. So click on your Wi-Fi, and you may want to go ahead and make sure you have Wi-Fi or your cell signal. You want to make sure you have either one of those, because if you don't have your cell signal or if you don't have Wi-Fi, that's basically going to be the #1 reason why you're going to run into this issue. So that's the first thing. Now for some reason that doesn't end up working, the next thing you're going to want to do is just to make sure that you have some sort of storage saved on your device. If your phone is unable to update, it could be because of your lack of storage. So make your way back into your iPhone storage panel here. You want to basically scroll down to your iPhone storage right there. And what you want to do here is you basically want to go and clear out as much storage as you can within this panel. So go and try your best to basically clear out whatever you can. Your photos, your Snapchats, your voice memos, all this other information. What you want to do is clear out as much storage as possible, because that may end up fixing the problem for you. And that's probably all you're going to have to do in this particular situation. If that's still not working, you can try restarting your phone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your device, slide the power off, try powering it back on. That might end up fixing it too. If that doesn't end up working, you may want to plug in your particular iPhone into your Mac or PC and try updating it via the computer method. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.